A new AI technology so powerful that it disrupted global tech giants, wiped out hundreds of billions from the US stock market, and made headlines worldwide within a week of its launch. Not only is this AI faster, smarter, and cheaper to develop, but it's also completely free to use. Welcome to the age of DeepSeek AI, a Chinese-made innovation that has caught American tech giants off guard. On January 20, 2025, the Chinese research lab behind DeepSeek introduced its first AI chatbot, DeepSeek R1, and within days, the world had changed. Alongside the launch, they published a research paper boldly claiming that DeepSeek outperformed the most advanced AI models on the planet, beating OpenAI's ChatGPT o1, Meta's Llama, and Google's Gemini advanced in almost every benchmark, from mathematical reasoning to logical problem solving. But what really set DeepSeek apart wasn't just its performance. It was how little time and money it took to build. While companies like OpenAI, Google, and Meta spent billions of dollars on developing their AI models, DeepSeek was reportedly developed for just $5.6 million. For perspective, OpenAI's ChatGPT o1 Pro model charges $200 per month for access, while DeepSeek is 100% free for everyone. The result? Within 7 days, DeepSeek became the most downloaded app on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store in the US, surpassing ChatGPT. By January 27, it wasn't just a tech story anymore. It became a financial one. The US stock market was rattled. In a single day, $1 trillion was wiped off the US tech index. The world's most valuable company, NVIDIA, saw its shares plunge by 17%, losing $589 billion, the biggest one-day loss ever recorded by a company. NVIDIA, known for manufacturing the high-performance computer chips used to train AI models, suddenly found itself in an uncertain future. But why did DeepSeek cause such chaos in the market? To understand this, we must dive into the story of DeepSeek's mysterious creator, Liang Wenfeng, and how he built an AI model that stunned the world. Liang Wenfeng is a name you may have never heard before. A 40-year-old Chinese entrepreneur, Wenfeng rarely makes public appearances, and very little is known about his personal life. But what we do know is that he founded a hedge fund called Highflyer in 2015, using advanced mathematics and AI to make investments. In 2019, Wenfeng launched Highflyer AI, focusing on AI research and algorithm development. By 2023, he decided to embark on a bold mission: to build his own AI model. Not for profit, but simply out of scientific curiosity. He wanted to see if he could create something better than what the world's biggest tech giants had built, but with far fewer resources. Unlike OpenAI or Google, Wenfeng didn't hire an army of engineers. Instead, he assembled a team of just 200 people, most of whom were PhD students from China's top universities. These were young, brilliant minds with 95% of the team under 30, and instead of spending billions, Wenfeng's team focused on efficiency and innovation. In just 2 years, they launched DeepSeek R1, a revolutionary chain-of-thought model that not only matched its competitors, but surpassed them in key areas like reasoning and problem-solving. Now let's break down why DeepSeek is so revolutionary. Traditional AI models like ChatGPT-3 and GPT-4 were built on large neural networks designed to provide answers based on vast amounts of data. But these models had a huge flaw. They often made simple errors in reasoning. For example, if you've asked ChatGPT-4o, which number is bigger minus 9.11 or 9.9, it will confidently tell you that 9.11 is bigger, which is wrong. But DeepSeek's chain-of-thought model works differently. Before answering, it thinks in multiple steps, just like a human would. It counter-questions itself and evaluates possible answers, ensuring that it doesn't make a simple mistake. It's almost like having a human-like inner dialogue before arriving at a final conclusion. And this chain-of-thought reasoning isn't just for math problems. DeepSeek applies this logic to everything: coding, riddles, even philosophical questions. Another fascinating feature of DeepSeek is how it shares its entire thought process with you. Unlike other AI chatbots that give you a final answer instantly, DeepSeek shows you its internal debate. It's like watching an AI think out loud. You can see how it starts with an idea, questions its own logic, and refines its answers step by step. For example, when asked to provide a truly original insight about humans, DeepSeek didn't just throw out the first idea that came to mind. Instead, it evaluated multiple possibilities, eventually concluding that humans are the only species to use storytelling as a cognitive exoskeleton. But what's the downside? DeepSeek is significantly slower than its competitors. While ChatGPT o1 typically takes 30 seconds to respond, DeepSeek can take up to 71 seconds, especially now that millions of users are flooding its servers. Its biggest criticism, however, is its political censorship. If you ask DeepSeek questions about sensitive topics related to the Chinese government, such as Tiananmen Square or human rights abuses, it will respond with, "Sorry, I'm not sure how to approach this question. Let's talk about math or coding instead." But interestingly, DeepSeek has no problem criticizing world leaders like Joe Biden, Donald Trump, or Vladimir Putin. The reason for this censorship? China's chief internet regulator, the Cyberspace Administration of China, subjects every AI model to a rigorous 70,000 question test to ensure safe answers for politically controversial topics. To spike this, DeepSeek's open-source architecture has gained global attention. Unlike OpenAI's closed-source model, DeepSeek's entire code is publicly available. This means anyone can download and modify it, and that's exactly what companies like Perplexity AI and Microsoft have done. Microsoft has already integrated DeepSeek into its Azure AI platform and plans to use it in Copilot, giving it a broader reach outside China. What does this mean for the future? The AI arms race has officially begun. Just a few years ago, Sam Altman, OpenAI's founder, claimed that it would be hopeless for anyone else to compete with him in building foundational AI models. But DeepSeek has proven wrong. And ironically, the reason DeepSeek became so efficient was because it didn't have access to the latest technology. In 2022, the US government imposed export controls on NVIDIA's H100 chips, preventing Chinese companies from buying the high-performance chips needed to train large AI models. This forced DeepSeek's developers to innovate, creating a software architecture that used less computing power while still delivering better results. The result? A model that costs a fraction of the price but works just as well, if not better, than its Western counterparts. So, what can we learn from DeepSeek? It's a reminder that great innovations can come from unexpected places. If China can build a world-class AI model with limited resources, there's no reason India or other countries can't do the same. For individuals, the rise of AI is an opportunity. This is the time to upskill and learn how to harness AI tools to increase productivity and stay ahead of the curve. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about AI's future, click on the next video where we explore how AI is transforming every industry, from healthcare to finance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.